Okay, so get the sand sample or the fine aggregate, and we put it on the Sieve No.4. So basically, this is in contrast with the coarse aggregate, wherein we are going to get the sample coming from the pan. So the sample that passes through the Sieve No.4 is the material that we are going to collect for this experiment. Get the mass of the technometer filled with water up to the calibration mark. So it will be set as letter B in our computation. Decant the excess water from the sun and make sure that we don't lose any of these fine aggregate. Get a sample of sand, okay, and get at least 1 kilogram of sand sample for testing. Dry the sample using heat gun. Do the cone test to see if the sand has reached the saturated surface dry condition. If the sand does not slump, it means that it is still moist and you need to dry it again by the heat gun. So you'll just have to repeat again the cone test until you reach the desired condition, which is the sand will reach the saturated surface dry when it experiences slump. Continue doing the cone test until such time that it will reach the saturated surface dry condition, and it will finally give you the slump that is expected for a saturated surface dry sand. After drying, so we get 510 grams recorded as S. Next up, we put the dried sample into the pycnometer apparatus, and we fill up the water up to the calibrated mark of the apparatus. Weigh the pycnometer with water and sand, and it will be recorded as C. Get the sand sample, and that will be prepared for oven drying. After 24 hours, we are now going to get the mass of our oven dried sand. That will be designated as letter A. So in this case, we're going to get the difference between the sample plus container minus the weight of the container, and that will be the letter A in our equation. And that concludes our experiment. See you next time.